Hi guys, how are you? It's on Muhammad. So guys, I'm telling you how to use these pending orders in your MetaTrader 4 account. So first of all guys, please let me clear and please mind it that we never promise you to make you billionaire in one day or one night. As you all know that Forex is really very risky market. So please use proper money management to do Forex. Okay, so come back to the point. Like guys, here we have a order AUD JPY sell limit. So this is today orders, and so I'll tell you how to use these orders. First of all guys, note down these orders in any paper, or capture these orders in your another mobile. Okay, so here we have a sell limit in AUD JPY. So now come back to the MetaTrader 4. Find the AUD JPY. Okay, click on it, click on new order, and now instant execution. I want to put sell limit and select lot size. Okay, so where from I want to put it, 81.98, and the stop loss is 82.40, and the take profit is 81.15. Okay, so here we have a place this order. Okay, so now listen guys, here we have this order. Now how to use this order with us? First of all guys, whenever any trade, any order reach its 50%, you it's 50% of take profit, you need to close your half lot size. Or if you have put like me 0.01 trade, then you need to close. Okay, so now as you can see, we have take profit here 81.15. it means 85 pips from the entry point. So when it trades will reach almost 40 pips, I need to close this at once. In this way, if we have a hit stop loss in other lot size, for example if I have 0.02 lot size in my trade, and I will close 0.01, in my another video I have told you how to close your half lot size. So if I close half lot size 0.01 at 40 pips profit, then if it hit its stop loss with 0.01 lot size, it means we have closed at break even, no stop loss, no profit. This is a secret guys, how to use these orders. In this way you never lose your money with us. So because as you all know, this is a forex market and no one never can be 100% in this market. So please guys, use these tricks with these orders, and I hope you will never hit your stop loss again. And one thing for my Pakistani brothers, I'll wanna tell you all that our pips are, जो हमारे पिप्स हैं वो आपको उर्दू में बताऊंगा ताकि गोरों को इसकी समझ ना आए। जो हमारे पिप्स हैं वो जेन्युइन पिप्स होते हैं, चाइना के पिप्स नहीं होते हैं। इस बात को आप पाकिस्तानी लोग ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से समझेंगे कि चाइना के पिप्स में और जेन्युइन पिप्स में क्या फ़र्क है। ठीक है, देखें अगर हमें भी उन्हीं की तरह और दूसरे प्रोवाइडर्स की तरह शो करवाने हैं पिप्स, तो हम भी 2000-3000 शो करवा सकते हैं, बट हमारे जो ओरिजिनल पिप्स हैं हम वही शो कर रहे हैं। तो आप लोग प्लीज़ हाफ लॉट साइज़ को क्लोज़ करना सीखें, हाफ लॉट साइज़ को यूज़ करें कि उसको किस तरीके से क्लोज़ करना है, तो इंशाल्लाह आप लोग जो है ना लॉस नहीं करोगे फिर। Thanks guys for watching this video. Please watch another video under this video. In this I'll told you how to close your half lot size. Thank you so much for watching.